That should be on me now.
Good.
And hopefully the mic's not too bad. I mean, I'd probably just use an external mic, but there you go. Let's see if I stop down.
F16.
Did it just compensate straight away? I'll open it up now.
F14, F10, 2. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Big difference.
Yeah, big difference.
Is it smooth though?
Yeah.
So that's on what, 22 I think this lens?
16.
16. Wide straight to 1.4.
That was good.
How much is this camera going for then at Jessop's?
1,949 with the battery grip at the moment.
And with 2 batteries extra as well?
Yeah, so 3 batteries in total.
That's decent. Any trading?
Yeah, we're doing a lot of good trading offers at the moment. Fuji themselves are doing a save £130 until the 30th of April on the body with the power booster kits, plus any qualifying lens.
Sound. Cheers for that. Not good. Is it on me?
Yep, it is.
Okay, so audio test, straight out of the camera, no microphone attached. I don't know, didn't even test it. So let's see how it sounds. We're in, oh wait, Wex, Birmingham, not Calumet. So yeah, that's it. It's not even a proper video, but you know, we'll do one soon. Won't we, Wex?
Yeah.